What's the difference between a personal chef, a private chef, and a caterer? A personal chef cooks for many clients, while a private chef cooks for just one client. A personal chef is an independent contractor and acts as his or her own boss. A private chef is often a salaried worker with the client as the employer. A personal chef does all the cooking in their client's kitchen. A caterer, on the other hand, cooks food out of a commercial kitchen, then delivers it to the client's home. To have a meal delivery service like this, you must have your home kitchen or restaurant kitchen approved by the health department. Cooking in client homes is great because you don't have the overhead of commercial kitchen rent, utilities, or stocking the kitchen with commercial equipment. You don't have to do a kitchen inspection with the health department or pay sales tax or local meals tax. If you're interested in becoming a personal chef, I welcome you to check out the link below at virginiastockwell.com that includes an actionable step-by-step guide to starting a personal chef business.